At Select, we are resilient. We stood strong in the midst of chaos. We rebuilt what was lost and rose above the storm. And now, with Groundworks, we will rise even higher. With Groundworks, the big moment for me was when I realized what we're going to be able to do for my team and their families moving into the future.
I think Select decided to join Groundworks because we were out of opportunity for growth.
So some of the limitations with Select were just in general resources.
We have the will, we have the drive, the quality, but we can't do it fast enough.
And with Groundworks, we're not going to have those limitations anymore.
The training with Groundworks will benefit the Select team just with the knowledge that it's bringing on.
You can only be so smart by yourself, but when you have a large team to bounce ideas off of and share information, everybody wins.
We decided to partner with Select for several reasons. The first reason is their culture and their team aligned with the values and culture of Groundworks. Many companies in New England do not have the ethical approach that we do at Groundworks. We felt Select was a good partner for that. What our new teammates at Select can expect, quite simply, is growth. Growth in professional development and training, growth in opportunity, growth in opening new offices.
I really feel like this is a great opportunity for us to expand and take over the Northeast.
Every employee at Select Basement Waterproofing will own a piece of Groundworks.
It gives them a lot of opportunity to feel good about themselves because they have something to look forward to.
I think the employees are going to benefit greatly from things like the 401k that's offered.
Groundworks is going to bring in a structure that's going to allow everybody to know where they'll stand later on in life.
The level of quality of products and services for our customers is going to be unmatched in the industry.
I think this will positively impact customers because now we can reach more of them.
With the capabilities of Groundworks and all the products they offer, I believe Select is going to grow just in that aspect alone.
What excites me is the availability for growth.
Let's reach for the stars.
The important thing is, remember, we're all in this together. We're all going to succeed as a team and a family.